What's up, YouTube? We back with another one, man. You joined the Oasis. Over here, we learned about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatnot. Basically, I'm just be going through a couple things right here. Um, to start it off, like I've done in my previous video, we see that Bitcoin has been in an uptrend since November of 2023 or 2022, my fault. So from down here all the way up to here, we have seen a 600% gain, which is really good. If you look at other assets such as or other things such as the stock market and say gold, say companies like Walmart, Tesla, Amazon, Target, whatnot, their growth, like you see 600 right here, it doesn't come close to Bitcoin, like especially in a bull run. And even if you look at it just like history, not history, but like the stats, top asset classes by market cap. If you see right here, you got Bitcoin at number 7. So what does that tell you? That tells you that there's a lot of companies right now that are, of course, above it, such as gold, which is number 1. You got Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, and Bitcoin. So that just lets you know how much power and access Bitcoin has right now in comparison to things such as Tesla, such as Walmart, such as J.P. Morgan, Visa, just things that you use on a regular. You might go to the Exxon gas station, go to Home Depot to build a house, Netflix, whatnot. So that just shows you like how big this asset really is. So when you go back over here and I tell you that from November of 2022 all the way up to now, that price has risen 600%. What have you been doing? Like, if you're not into this right now, if you're not trying to make growth of the time that you're here, I don't really know what to tell you. But we're just gonna dive in. We're gonna dive in. We're gonna dive in. So currently, right now, we see like there's a lot of resistance up here. If I can mark it off, if I were to mark it off, it'll probably be around here, right? Just to line up with the wicks that price has created. So our main goal, really, our take profit right here. But what is our entry? So right now, I have a couple things set, right? Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. This right here is my alert. I set an alert right here because I believe price is going to come back down, touch this level. I really do see price coming down to this mid level that I have right here, which is around 102.7, 102.6, around this area. If I can get a nice buy right there, I think that would be very good. For the simple fact that I would have my stop loss honestly right here, but because it's crypto, I'll leave a little room for any wicks down here. Um, so I told you that my entry is right here, my stop loss is right here, my first take profit is gonna be right here. So if I was to scale that down and just show you what that would look like, it would be this right here, which is a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's on the daily. If you scroll down to the 4 hour, you can have an even more aggressive stop loss, which would be right here, which is like a 1.3. That's if you like want to be super aggressive. I might end up taking that trade because I do like it. I might end up just going with maybe like a 1.6 just to have some breathing room right here. If it gets down this low, then potentially it might touch this area. That's just what I'm getting. That this support area right here at the 107, I mean 102.7 area failed, and now we're looking for lower areas around this 99K area again, right? But in the meantime, I'm extremely bullish. I like how Price was able to, if you just see it right here, Price was able to go down this low, go down this low, come up here, chop, create a deviation, and then come back up here. If you see it, it looks like a reverse head and shoulders. This is the shoulders. This is the head right here. It looks like Price would want to form some type of, you know what I'm saying, another shoulder right here before taking off. So, you know what I'm saying? You get the picture. You get where I'm coming from. But regardless of the fact, I told y'all that I'm looking for an area right here. If I catch an entry right there, will be off. TP1, TP2, right? With that being said, I just gave you my trade that I'm looking at. If I look at the S&P 500, it looks amazing. Like, I'm not the best with the stock market, but I understand levels. I understand like support and resistance. It just really comes in clutch. Like I see this level right here is heavy support and resistance. Why? Support right here, resistance, resistance. I could place an imaginary line right here. But I see one right here as well. I will place this line right here. And if we just zoom in over the last couple of days, even 4 hours, we were right here at the top. We dropped, but we gained support, right? This is like I believe a bullish inverted hammer, because like it looks like a hammer, but it's upside down. So and it finished bullish, indicating that prices can't try to come down here, but it's buying up. Then here you see what 4 green candles following it. You see some support grab right here around the 6,000 area, and then you see 2 candle closes on the 4 hour that look very, very bullish. This looks like price is going to continue upwards, right? You can just see the trend. See the trend. You just see the trend. Now this was the bottom. It looks like this was a temporary bottom, and we're going up. But that's really all I gotta say. I gave y'all a trade update. Nothing too crazy. I need to post this ASAP. Hopefully tomorrow we get this expected pump and rise in Bitcoin, but you just never know. You gotta be on your P's and Q's. That's all I got for today. I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gone. Yo!